Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing another quick video. Let me know if you like these. I'm trying to keep them to like 5 minutes where my other videos are like 15 minutes. So first, let me know if you like the shorter videos. Second, let's talk about the products by Young Living that we are still using, even though I'm not selling oils anymore. If you missed my first video on why I quit Young Living, I will try to put it here or in the description. It's basically just explaining the reasons that I gradually stepped away from being a brand partner with Young Living. I am still a customer though, and I still get my monthly order. It's very small, but I still get it. So I'm going to share what we still are ordering from Young Living. I haven't done my like essential rewards unboxing really because it's not essential rewards anymore. It's like their subscription program. And we're just not getting a ton, so I feel like the video would just be boring. So I'm just going to do all of the products that we're still ordering. This isn't every single month, but it's just the products that I really can't live without from Young Living, basically. So the first one is Progessence Plus. I talk about this a lot, like a lot, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it, but this is a hormone balancing or oil or serum, I think is what it's actually labeled, but I haven't put it on today, so I'll put it on and show you. I either roll it on my forearms or my inner thighs or my ankles, sometimes morning and night, depending on how I feel. But this does balance me. If I do not use it, I get headaches and I feel all out of sorts. So it's apparent to me that my body needs the extra progesterone, which is the wild yam in that. Now Revive does have a dupe, and I haven't used it consistently. I think I will once I run out of this bottle. I still have like half of it left though. So I really do need to put Revives to the test still, but they do have a dupe and it has the wild yam in it. The next product, I do not have any with me, but I'll put a picture on one of these sides, but it is Ningxia Zing. Ningxia is Young Living's like wolfberry puree juice. It's like a wellness drink. It has tons of antioxidants, lots of health benefits, like with your cells and your heart and blood. I don't know, it works in your whole body, like with all of your systems. It's super expensive though. So honestly, if it weren't as expensive, I would probably buy Ningxia regularly, but I just don't because we don't really just can't afford it. I haven't found a dupe yet either, so if you know of one, let me know in the comments. But we like to get Ningxia Zing, which is the Ningxia energy drink. It basically looks like a tiny can of Red Bull. It kind of tastes like the sugar-free Red Bull. It has black pepper. It's really good, tastes really good, but it also just kind of gives me the boost like midday. I like it around like 1 or 2 in the afternoon, and it just doesn't make me super hyper like caffeine buzz, but it also just like makes me alert and awake throughout the rest of the day, and then I don't come crashing down from it either. So it's a really good energy drink. Again, it's expensive because it has the benefits of Ningxia in it as well, but it's a little more affordable, I guess. And I have like I think a little graphic of like the benefits, but I'll put that here. It's really good, and I don't think we'll stop buying it anytime in the near future at least. The next product that we will continue to buy are the Vitality oils. We don't use a ton of these, but we do like lavender, lime, grapefruit, lemon, basically just a few citrus oils. They're really inexpensive, between $6 and $12 I would say, depending on which one you get, but we really like them and that they are labeled specifically for ingesting. I know some people aren't comfortable with ingesting, but we are with this in a minimal way. Like we put 1 drop in a drink or 1 drop of grapefruit in some water. It just really adds that a super level of freshness, and like I love it. So these are affordable, labeled for ingesting, and it just makes me personally feel more comfortable about doing it. The lime we like to put in like summertime drinks like mojitos and beer and things, but that's a personal preference. That's just something that we like to do. The next product, or the next couple of things that we like and still buy, are the kids supplements. So they have a probiotic which comes in little packets that we love, because the girls think it's like candy, but it's getting their probiotics daily and they love taking those. And then the other thing is the multivitamin, the Mighty Vites I think is the name of it. I will put them here. It's literally the only vitamin that my girls will eat. I've tried tons of different brands because they are kind of pricey, but I feel like all high quality vitamins are going to be a little more expensive than I would like to pay. So with getting the points back and things with Young Living, I do still like their kids multivitamin and probiotic. But really that is pretty much it. Like any of the singles or blends, Revive has a dupe for, and it's literally like half the price. And as far as like the adult supplements and things, we use Gaia and New Horizons or New Holland or something. I can link all of the other like things that we used to use from Young Living but now switched to something else. I will link that in the blog post below because I think that's helpful, and that I've gotten tons of questions on, well, you don't use Young Living anymore, what supplements do you use? And I really didn't use a ton of Young Living, so it wasn't too hard to switch. I've always kind of used a variety of different ones, but they are just like too expensive for us. That's the bottom line. I do think they're great, high quality, and they work, but we've just found some more affordable options. And then as far as like their body products, I never was like the hugest fan of their shampoo, conditioners, soaps, lotions. I don't feel like they're super scented or very strongly scented. Like not many essential oils are in them. But anyways, and a lot of the other, so like the massage oil that I really love, the Cellulite Magic and the Sensation, I think it's called, massage oil, but we can easily make those with the oils that I have on hand. So I've been DIYing the things, also the shave oil. So we have either swapped, DIY'd, or just stopped using altogether. Everything will be linked in the blog post below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.